So the other day I saw a video of somebody trying butterscotch peanut butter, which I had never heard of before, but was like, that sounds amazing. I bet that would be an incredible ice cream flavor. Well, you know what I had to do? So today I'm gonna show you how to make a butterscotch peanut butter flavored ice cream in the Ninja Creami that is low in calories and high in flavor. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds through a combination of mindful eating and daily walking, and these days I'm just focused on maintaining my weight and staying in shape. As I've already said before in other videos, I have become a bit obsessed with the Ninja Creami. This machine makes it so easy to make delicious, low-calorie ice creams that help me to stay on track. So today's ice cream is a mix of two flavors. Butterscotch, delicious. Peanut butter, also delicious. Put them together, amazing. And even more amazing, the entire container is only 200 calories. You know you want to make some, come on, let's get cooking. So start off with 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk. Then we'll add an egg yolk from 1 large pasteurized egg. Next we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. 3 tablespoons of a 0-calorie sweetener. I've got Monkfruit and erythritol right here. A pinch of salt. We don't want too much, just a little bit. I always say just a little less than maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon, and just add it in. Don't do too much. And lastly, for the butterscotch peanut butter flavors, couldn't be simpler. We have 1 tablespoon of 0 sugar butterscotch flavored Jell-O pudding mix and 1 tablespoon of powdered peanut butter. That's it. Add 1 of those, add 1 of those, boom. That's everything. All right, now let's go ahead and blend this up. Okay, I got my blender here. Let's go ahead and screw the blades onto the blender cup nice and tightly. I'm gonna give it a little swirl to make sure everything is mixed and nothing is down at the bottom. All right, now let's go ahead and blend this up. Let's let it go for about a minute and get it nice and thick.
A few moments later.
And just like that, our butterscotch peanut butter mixture is ready to go. Let's go ahead and pour this into a Ninja Creami pint. Let's go ahead and pour this whole ice cream mixture right into this Ninja Creami pint. Try to get all of that in there. I don't want to let any of that go to waste. And that is all there is to it. So let's go ahead and put the lid on this thing, put it in the freezer for 24 hours, and make some delicious butterscotch peanut butter ice cream.
Tomorrow.
All right, here's our frozen butterscotch peanut butter ice cream. I am very excited to try this one. Let's go ahead and put it in the Ninja Creami. Do the first spin. Probably gonna do a second spin, we'll see how it goes. All right, put it on, turn this thing on, and hit Lite Ice Cream. Here we go. All right, let's take a quick look at this. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, like I thought, let's do one more spin. I'm gonna add a splash of milk. All right, we'll put it back on and hit respin. All right, it's ready. Let's check out this butterscotch peanut butter ice cream. I think it's gonna, oh yeah, oh, it's so beautiful. It's so smooth and so creamy. Oh my goodness, that is the stuff of legend right there. And here we have it, butterscotch peanut butter ice cream. It smells amazing already. Take a look at this stuff. It looks so creamy and so smooth. All right, I'm gonna dig in and give it a shot. Oh, yes, yes. Oh man, this is my first time actually trying it frozen. Oh, it's so good. Oh, those flavors, they complement so well. The butterscotch and the peanut butter. Oh my, this is fantastic. This is excellent. This is definitely one I will add to my rotation of regular ice cream flavors to have each night. Oh, that just works. That works so well. Why does peanut butter make everything better? It really does. All right, let me get one more bite and then I'll go over the macros. All right, so for this container, the entire container, we are looking at 200 calories. 200 for all, with that peanut butter. I mean, good grief, a candy bar is usually more than that. This is a whole container of ice cream you can eat in one sitting. 200 calories, 15 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, 18 grams of protein. unbelievable. Why do you think I say I love the Ninja Creami so much? That is not a paid endorsement. I get no money for that. I just bought this thing on people's recommendations and love it because I get to have stuff like this anytime I want. That's amazing. Well, I hope you get a chance to try this recipe. It's super simple, super delicious, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to The Cogisshred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for other recipes you might like to see me do, or questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. All right, thank you all so much, and keep on eating.